Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Zax Remix here, and we're back with some more Subway Surfers. And sorry, I haven't been uploading any Subway Surfers lately. I don't know why. Just don't know. I just been trying to get enough coins to get a new character. Which I got into this new game. I got into this game called Zombie Tsunami. I've been playing it for a while. I really like it. And the main reason why I'm not uploading any Subway Surfers recently is because this is like getting kind of boring of me just playing. But I think it is, and I'm not getting any characters. I'm trying to get a character each game. I'm not going to get one in this game. I got like 13,000 coins right now. And I'm trying to get, I don't know what character's next. I'm trying to go from the cheapest to the highest amount of coins for a character. So I don't know how long this Let's Play is gonna be. It could be it could end in 20 episodes, could end in 2 more episodes. Who knows? It could end tomorrow, could end in this episode. Could end in 100 episodes. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I will end in like 40 episodes. Like 30 episodes. Cause sooner or later I'm gonna buy a whole bunch of coins. I think the most time I'm gonna have to be playing is just to get the Prince character. It costs like 980,000 coins. That's nearly 1 million coins. That's like the most expensive thing you can get in the game. I think so. I think it's the most expensive. Oh no. Did not mean to do that. But I'm just trying to see how far I can get. If I die like pretty soon, I will go another time. Run again. And if I go pretty long, I'm gonna end the episode there. Like whenever I say stuff like this, like if I do it, I want to make another run. Like just when I say it and get done saying it, I always die. Except for this time, I nearly died on the game, not in real life. Just if you guys are thinking that. I don't know what you guys are thinking. But yeah. In the comment section below, put what games you want me to play. And while you're at it, subscribe. While you're at it, why not like? And while you're at it, why not favorite? Why not? Wait a second. Yeah. While you're at it, why not go subscribe to these channels in the description? If I can spell them right. Like one's xspacebillzz, knifedatderp, violent nerd, red turtle 55, and superdevilmadnesshd. Making these big jumps because I'm a boss. And put in the comments what high score is on this game. Like, I don't know, like on Clash Clans, I'm gonna make a Road to Champions gameplay once I reach like Crystal League 1. Now once I'm in like Master League, I'll make it, or Crystal League. And if you don't know what this game is, Clash of Clans, it's something that you start off like it's like you get bigger and bigger, and you upgrade things. I can't describe it. I just had a thought in my head of how to describe it, and now it's just gone. I'm trying to think of a way to describe it. I guess it's like you start off with like a town hall, and you try to get it up and up. And once you read like, and you train troops, and you attack people, and you get trophies if you win. If you get 50%, you win. 50% and up, you win. The higher you get up, the more trophies you get. Like, and you get like 49% and below, you lose. And you lose trophies, unless you don't have any. But if you get 50% and up, you gain trophies. And once you reach 400 trophies, you join a league, which is Bronze League number 3. And you just keep on going up until Master League. I mean Champion League. You're already up to Champion League. Like you can make a base. So like you can make a trophy base for getting trophies, and you can make like a farming base to protect your resources. The resources are for like you gotta have resources to upgrade your buildings. And that's what the resources are for. Next one, I'm trying to get Tasha. See, Prince K, he's gonna be the hardest one to get. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's nearly a million coins. But Tasha's the next one I'm gonna try to get. How long has this episode been? Nearly 10 minutes. Missing. I haven't been seeing any jetpacks at all. That sucks. Let's recommend it to friends, but I don't. I'm just gonna go head off the shop. Yeah, I'm going to buy it. So I gotta get 500 power jump coins. Roll 200 times. And complete 4 daily challenges, which will take me 4 days. Don't want to do none of those. Collect 15,000 coins. Easy. Score in one run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's be 120,000 and jump 3 chains. I'm doing it. I bet you we're gonna beat the second mission. I just gotta make it to 112,000. Couldn't be that hard. I think I already made it that far. And if you play Black Ops 2, and you like do trick shots, I can post it on my YouTube channel and make it in to montage of you guys' clips. So you can send me a video of your trick shot in the comments, and I will do a lot of things like edit it and just post it on YouTube. Okay, guys, in the comment section below, put right now. Put in the comment section below right now, and see if you can. Oh my god, see if you think I'm gonna beat the second mission. Right now, put yes or no if you think I'm gonna beat the second mission. Cause I think I am. But once you do it, come back to the video. I'm like halfway there. If I die, what if I die at 11,999? If I died right there, I would be so mad. Except I wouldn't be mad. I would just be like, what? How is that even possible? Because it stopped at 999 at 11,000. 111,000. And 9,999. Is that right? I don't know. Is it right? So that's 11,000. Yeah, 999. Well, if it stopped at 11,999, I would be like, what? I wonder if you can actually do that. Oh, actually, I already did it. Wow, that was pretty fast and easy. What do I gotta do now? Oh my god, I already did that one. Now it's gotta collect 15,000 coins. Or is it just 5,000? I don't know. It's probably 15,000. Once I die, it's gonna be the end of this video. Well, now that I said it, look, like I said, once I die, like I just said it, once I die, it's gonna be in this video, and I just died. I hate it when that stuff happens. It hasn't been 20 minutes. I'm gonna go one more time. Okay, for real, this time once you die, I'm gonna end the video. If it's at least 20 minutes. If it's not, I'm gonna be so mad. If it isn't, I'm just gonna stall. And I'm gonna be making a second account. It's gonna be a only Black Ops 2 trickshots channel for trickshot montages, and you guys can send in clips, and I can just download them and edit them and put them in the video. I'm thinking about doing that. There's all Black Ops 2 and COD gameplay clips. Just COD trickshots. Doesn't have to be Black Ops 2. It can be anything. It just has to be a trickshot. I will add some music up into that mug. Edit it really cool. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on. It better be. No, it's not. Oh my god. What am I gonna do for 5 minutes? I'm just gonna go again. Once I die, for real this time. I'm not lying. If I end it, I don't care if it's like 15 minutes long. I still gotta do it. Once I die, it's gonna be end, and I will have to say goodbye. Then I'll have to die. In the game, not in real life. Like I think you gotta have like 60,000 coins just to Well, my phone's going really slow right now. Just to unlock the second to last level for the jetpack. well, for the all of the upgrades you can get. You gotta have like 60,000 for the second to last one. Because I did that before. Because I already finished all the missions before. I only got, so 3 times 5 equals. I got 15 missions left to do. Then I got all the missions. I'm almost there. But that's not gonna be the end of the video. The let's play. I'm trying to collect all the characters. Only played for 2 minutes? Are you kidding me? That sucks. Only played for 2 minutes. I don't know what's happening to me. I'm just sucking. Ultimate suck mode. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys in the next one. Peace out.